Hold on. If you want to go faster.
Scream! Look, we're going back down.
Yep, it's a force of gravity.
We're not going back down. We're going over the fucking top. Let's see the man. Oh, fine. Yeah. Hold it. Hold it nice.
Hold it nice, isn't it?
Now give her some. Stick it to the floor. No, I can't go back. Voila. You can't go
You
back.
don't know where I'm taking you, do you?
I don't know. Over a fucking cliff. Take me, man. Take me to hell and back.
Yep,
Oh,
sweet.
there's no such place as hell. Obviously,
We're taking you to heaven, we're just going to have to take you through hell to get you there.
it's okay. There's no panic. This is something else, you know.
I don't think my mother would really approve of what I do for a living.
Yeah, Mark, down there. We're not going up that hill as well, are we?